ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ colonialism in India. 9th class social bits. The tribal cultivation is called as extensive cultivation, intensive cultivation, Podu cultivation, modern cultivation. Correct answer, Podu cultivation. Forest is under the control of forest department is called dash forests. Reserved forest, protected forest, dense forest, all the above. Correct answer, reserved forest. The union formed under the influence of Gandhi was Sabarmati Union, Dandi Union, Mazdoor Mahajan, none. Correct answer, Mazdoor Mahajan. The famous socialist labor union during the British period was Pradhan Union, Labor Union, Girni Kangar Union, Socialist Union. Correct answer, Girni Kangar Union. Who started the revolt against the Nizam's rule? Komaram Bhim, Hanumantu, Sita Ramaraju, Kancharla Gopanna. Correct answer, Komaram Bhim. Which of the following federation was formed during the British period? FICCI, SALT, NALCO, IFSI. Correct answer, FICCI. Cotton textile industry is located in Mumbai, Gannavaram, Ongole, Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, Mumbai. Visakhapatnam is famous for iron and steel plant, copper plant, cement plant, limestone. Correct answer, iron and steel plant. The first cement factory was established at Chennai, Bengaluru, Visakhapatnam, Guntur. Correct answer, Chennai. In Jharkhand, which Adivasi revolt was held? Koya, Konda Reddy, Santal, Munda. Correct answer, Santal. Koya Kolam tribes conducted revolts in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. Correct answer, Andhra Pradesh. Who was the leader of Assam Rifles? Sanders, Raju, Bhim, Suri. Correct answer, Sanders. Who occupied Bhim's land? Siddiqui, Rahul, Mallanna, Nizam. Correct answer, Siddiqui. What was the Bambaram? A forest product, a tax, a village, a game. Correct answer, a tax. In which year Balagangadhar Tilak exiled from India? 1919, 1906, 1905, 1908. Correct answer, 1908. Which among the following is a tribe in Orissa? Baiga, Kolam, Savara, Koya. Correct answer, Savara. Nizam government appointed dash to research the life of tribals. Heimandar, Elphins, Kugler, none. Correct answer, Heimendorf. In dash the electric bulbs began to fitted in the mills. 1890, 1880, 1820, 1885. Correct answer, 1880. Which of the following is not an industrial city? Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam. Correct answer, Visakhapatnam. The first Factory Act in 1881 specified the rules for the welfare of the males, female, the children, none. Correct answer, the children. The greatest achievements of Indian industrialists was setup of dash factory at Jamshedpur. Textile, jute factory, iron and steel, cement. Correct answer, iron and steel. Indian factories imports the machineries from Japan, China, Europe, America. Correct answer, Europe. During the British period, below dash years age children were not appointed in the factory's work. 9 years, 10 years, 15 years, 5 years. Correct answer, 9 years. At present, Indian government below dash age children are not allowed into the work. 10 years, 15 years, 14 years, 16 years. Correct answer, 14 years. In 1905, around dash lakh laborers were in the textile industries. 1.5 lakh, 1 lakh, 2.25 lakh, 4 lakhs. Correct answer, 2.25 lakh. Find out the name of Komaram Bhim's army. Tribal, guerrilla, Siddak, none. Correct answer, guerrilla. Which message of Komaram Bhim was inspired the Adivasis? Jal Jangal Jameen, Abhay, Ramadandu, Jal Kal Bal. Correct answer, Jal Jangil Jameen. Sita Ramaraju was shot dead in the village of Mampa, Chintapalli, Bastav, Nallamala. Correct answer, Mampa. Komaram Bhim was died in the forest of dense forest, Jodeghat forest, Chintapalli forest, Kolam. Correct answer, Jodeghat forest. Who was the leader of Chota Nagpur tribals? Birsa Munda, Neil Munda, Bastar Munda, none. Correct answer, Birsa Munda. In which village Komaram Bhim was born? Sankepalli, Manchiriyala, Tanuku, Anuparthi. Correct answer, Sankepalli. Where Komaram Bhim was defeated by Nizam's army? Jodeghat, Jahirabad, Nalgonda, Miryalaguda. Correct answer, Jodeghat. The name of the oil refinery in Assam? Trombe, Digboy, Madhura, none. Correct answer, Digboy. In which year the first electric bulb was fit in Indian companies? 1905, 1902, 1914, 1900. Correct answer, 1914.